Greetings from the Colossus known as New York City. No, nothing between these two buildings like last night. But guess what? What do we have here right above this building? And it's a bright and shiny possibly portal in the sky. It is red. It's good to be out here, folks. I wanted to film one tonight for sure because I think the next few days are gonna rain. Just telling you what I've heard. Now today I had a close call with a UFO. I was going to the supermarket. What was that just flew by? Going to the supermarket about 2:30 in the afternoon in Midtown Manhattan, Eastern Standard Time. And I saw something out of the corner of my right eye and thought I should look at it. At first I thought it was a plane, and there were several lights that went off and on, right? Then they got brighter, and it was like the color silver. I know what the color silver is. Very bright, and it had these like star shape, it had stalagmites around it. And it was only there for like 20-30 seconds, and if I had my phone, which I didn't, I would have been able to get it. And then the weirdest thing that happened is the skies have been clear for a day. It just friggin' disappeared. Just as my eyes were seeing it, it faded out as quick as I snapped my fingers. Oh, here's another one. There's one there. No, not there. I'm gonna take my glove off. See it? See it above the building? These things are that's probably the one I saw last night in the middle of the street. Oh, it's a pretty blue aqua color. Maybe I'll film this. Well, I got two of them, folks. And you saw it get bigger. I am pissed that I missed that UFO. I don't bring my camera as much, and I should have, because I don't like getting these random texts. I'm on a lot of people's mailing lists, and they're sending me these texts out of the blue all the time, it seems. And my phone might not have been charged, but I always try to have it charged. So this is even a better one. I saw it right over the top of this building. And this one over here on the top of this one. Where is it? See, you get two for the price of one. This one's more a white color. And this one, where are we here? There we go. Pretty good. This one's blue, or light blue. They are both related. I don't know if they're cousins, brothers, and sisters, or whatever, but they are worth filming, and they're not stars. They're not drones. I know there's some really high-tech drones out there. I'm pretty aware of them. I know the military ones can do a lot of destructive things, but I filmed some drones that are in some of my earliest videos. You can check them out. I think I marked them as such, but this is not that. And I'm glad to get out early tonight. I see a plane going across the other side. This was not a plane, what I saw in the afternoon. And I don't like to live in the past, but this is now, whew, many hours ago, many moons. Okay, let's look at the other one and see if it's changed at all. Where are you? There you are. This is the first one I filmed tonight. And they're both portals, energy portals, and intelligence, something. Could they be nebulas close to Earth? It's possible, but nebulas have all these colors, and a lot of them look like your eye in the middle, but we're all part of that, and which means we're spiritual beings having an experience in our meat sacks, our bodies, and those live a certain time, a good amount of time, not long enough to please me. Don't like the fact that we get old. I'm doing everything in my power not to reverse that. Are you? Do you do things like that? Just ordered my third eye vitamins from Amazon. Yep, I'm getting another text. Like I said, that's the main reason I'm not bringing my phone with me. I don't like getting phone calls out of the blue unless I'm expecting it, but whatever, I'll see it when I get home. But because I didn't bring my phone, and I have brought it recently, I just didn't today. It would have been great, but it would have been a very short video. 10, 15 seconds maybe. I mean, I saw it for about 20 to 30 seconds. And you got to be quick on the draw. Pull this thing out of your zippered case and zoom into it and shoot. See, my phone's in a case, would have been, but I'm pretty practiced at it. You know, I just pull it out quick. And it can be frustrating when you see something fading out. Well, this one, from when I first was filming it, got a little bigger, and by itself, this is the first image tonight, and this is, where is it? Second. One's bluer and one's lighter. Where are we? This is getting blue too. Yeah, these things are related. You can laugh at me all you want, but they're the same shape, do the same things. They're close to Earth. And I'll tell you, looking outside my iPhone, it's bright, super bright, and it's not completely round. I see like a up line, a bottom line, a line to the left, a line to the right, but it's a light. It could have been the thing I saw in the afternoon in a different form. But you very rarely see UFOs or paranormals in the afternoon, but they are there. This is one of the 3 or 4 times, 5 times, a handful of times I've seen them. And you got to be ready. If you watching for these UFOs, paranormals in the sky. You have to have a keen eye for it, but if you're looking for it, if your concentration is on finding them, you will find them. It might take a while, but just have your camera ready. Send me the pictures, put it below this video I'll post. I got an extra video from last night, which is good, always good when you're expecting rain, because we've had a really big break on strange sights, and I wanted to explain why. It's really clear tonight. I don't see one cloud. That's why that thing in the afternoon, I saw it blinking, it got brighter, turned a silver color, and then it disappeared. I know what my eyes saw, and I was completely sober, yes. It's good to get out in the fresh New York air, right? Let me see if this can get bigger. I'm gonna take no, it got smaller. I tapped on my leg, and it changed to a reddish color. Let me try the other one. Zoom out. There it is. See it? See it? Yeah. What the heck? Oh, that's the building. Oh, God. Thought I saw something different there. Yeah, see. There it is above, but when I tap on the light meter, the image gets blurrier. So I'll go back to the original one and finish this video. Almost thought I saw a new one. It's a sphere, and they have a solid, in the middle, and the outsides are transparent. And sometimes one side shows up more than the other. But that's usually when it's kind of cloudy out. But when it's clear, I can get a bigger, crisper image to show you, which I want to do. And I walked away. I saw another one on my block, and this is a block away. But it's the one I probably post tonight. It's a smaller image, but it's a colorful energy. And I haven't seen the energies dance around like some of my other videos, but it is an intelligence. It definitely is. It responds to you. Sometimes you talking to it and you ask it questions. Not tonight, but other videos, and it's usually a much bigger image, So that is enough of an explanation. I'm gonna order the first Strange Sights in the Sky t-shirt to wear it and film it, show you folks in living color what it looks like. But if you want to tune into the two websites it's on, Zazzle.com and Spreadshirt.com. Now Zazzle is different. You got to make an account with them to even see it, but Spreadshirt, you can just follow the link and you'll go right to my art. I have other t-shirt designs as well, and also on coffee cups, backpacks, water bottles, posters. I've got to start promoting that more, but I've been busy with other things. Oh, on the side of this building, I think I see, yeah, there's another one. Is that a star though? Might be. See it get bigger? I did have to tap the light meter and it got blurry, but that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna finish out with this big beautiful one. And it's white with a blue surrounding, blue outer image, and it's a cream color inside. Almost looks like a miniature moon without the craters. I'm assuming it is an energy and intelligence that neither of us can explain, and we'll leave it at that. So, with that being said, this is Strange Sights in the Sky, tuning out, seeing you in the next one on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye. Have a good night.